kid, I'm murder. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I'm murder. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
You can see this is all completely crushed. A new rocker panel section, which is what I have right here. So I got this rocker panel all fit up, got the doors fitting, everything looks good, all my gaps and lines look good. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift the doors back off, and I'll have to lift this rocker back off because there's some sealer I have to put back behind there. And then I will get this rocker panel all welded on. You can see this. So I have this rocker panel, all my seams all blocked out, almost ready to go to our paint department. But first, this gets a chip guard across the bottom of the rocker, which is just like a thick texture, and it helps prevent rocks from coming up and chipping it. So I'm gonna scuff up the bottom of this all the way across, and then I'll tape it. I'll do a soft edge right across here, and then I'll go ahead and apply that chip guard, and I'll let it dry overnight. Before I spray this chip guard, this rocker panel has these plugs that go all the way across these holes, and the chip guard sprays over top these plugs. However, first I'm going to spray cavity wax up in this rocker panel, hose it really good, which will help prevent rust. It seeps in the seams. Then I will put the plugs in and spray my chip guard. That shit came out and sprayed me right in the face.